welcome. We are currently in the Puri Lok Sabha constituency of Odisha, and my guest is the one-time combative television spokesperson, now BJP's candidate from this seat, Dr. Sambit Patra. Dr. Patra, welcome.
नमस्कार आपको जगन्नाथ पुरी रे बहुत स्वागतम जय जगन्नाथ
It's really nice to see you. आपने तो टीवी छोड़ दिया. You're only now in Puri. You're looking as tanned and as toasted can be.
Of course, I mean, like, look, it's a great opportunity for me to be part of this campaign of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is going to be a historic election in India. Ab ki baar 400 par. I'm so thankful to the Prime Minister for having considered my name yet again for being the Lok Sabha candidate from Puri. And of course, as far as my skin tone changed, as far as sun tanning is concerned, I say beauty is only skin deep. The most important beautiful thing about a politician is to work for the people. And when I get this kind of reaction from the people, that is something which is mesmerizing, which satisfies me. I have my Vidayak, the MLA of Puri, Mr. Jayant Sarangi, also with me, and we are campaigning in Rahangiria Pada Gaon of Puri.
Now the thing, Dr. Patra, is you lost a very close election in Puri in the last Lok Sabha elections. What makes you confident that this time you'll actually win and not end up like a good fight?
So first and foremost, I have the Prime Minister's blessing in the sense he has done tremendous work in the last 10 years. That is our report card, you know, number one. Number two, last time I lost by a tender margin of only 11,000 votes. I got 5,27,000 votes. I had only 16 days to campaign. This time, I have stayed in Puri for the last 5 years. I have not left Puri for a single day. Me, without being the Member of Parliament also, in the last 5 years, have literally acted as a Member of Parliament. I have brought many projects, thanks to Narendra Modi ji, thanks to all the central ministers, to Puri. I have worked for them for the medical benefits. I have worked for them for other important issues. So this is what is the connect between me and the people. People love me. You can see the love, genuine love of people. And that's the reason as to why I believe this time it's us. He has got the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, and that's why he's saying that this time all the votes that we are going to give is to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. You can see this is a random village. Every village you go, you will find that the Yojanas of Prime Minister, the schemes of Prime Minister have reached the common man, the poor people.
The battle in Odisha, Dr. Patra, unlike where the BJP is taking on the Congress, you know, it's a much tougher battle than in a state like Gujarat or Rajasthan. That here BJP is the underdog.
That's the fun, you know. There is no issue. I mean, if we don't have a battle, what's the fun in fighting an election? We have to fight an election where there are challenges. We have to fight an election where we have to showcase as to what our Prime Minister has done in the last 10 years, how in fact he has transformed Orissa through his various projects in the last 10 years. And that's what we have been doing. The main issue of BJP is we should not see difference. If you are a BJD Karyakarta getting a Prime Minister Awas Yojana, if you are a BJP Karyakarta not giving him the Awas Yojana, that kind of difference should not be there. Pachpatachi, piche mila hai, the front, they have done this. Rahul, this is the report card that I have released of the work that I have done in the last 5 years. I believe I have been the only candidate who had lost the last election, but who still has released the report card as to what we have done in the last 5 years.
अच्छा ऐसे loser का report card भी आता है क्या? मैंने कभी देखा नहीं ऐसे runner-up report card.
This is how politics should be. It should be politics of performance. It should not be politics of rest. So whatever we have done, the central projects that we have brought in over here, because of our effort in Delhi, because of Narendra Modi ji, whatever we have done individually over here also, through CSR projects, etc., all those things have been a kind of...
Actually, I've never seen this, like a runner-up report card, which is interesting.
So because the Siddha Mahabir flyover, see, he is the MLA, I am over here, he is Nitin Gadkari ji, as you can see, and this is during the corona. You can see all of us wearing the masks, and we had gone to Nitin Gadkari ji. There's a mega project which Puri wanted, which is an overbridge, Siddha Mahabir flyover, and thankfully 134 crore was sanctioned immediately after meeting Nitin Gadkari ji, and today 20% of the work has been completed. This is going to be a great project of Puri.
So, Dr. Patra, there are two elections being fought. One is for the Lok Sabha, the other is for the Assembly. Do you concede that, after completing 5 terms, Naveen Patnaik is still the odds-on favourite to be able to hold the Odisha Assembly? And somehow, unlike, say, a Tripura or a Mizoram, Manipur, where you've been involved, here the BJD continues to remain strong at the assembly level.
I don't think so. I didn't think so. I don't think so. I believe this time it's all about Modi. The BJD has gone weak.
Even the assembly election is about Modi.
Yes, it's all about Modi.
Why should it be about Modi? It should be about your local people.
I'll tell you the reason as to why. People across the country today, and in Orissa also, they have realized that development is synonymous to Modi. You know, in Chhattisgarh also, I'll tell you, if you see, there is an undercurrent. In Chhattisgarh, most of the BJP karyakartas, the spokespersons also, were not very confident in pronouncing that we would be forming the government. None of us, kaisa hoga? Pichli baar se acha hoga. That is what we were saying. That you, Prime Minister was the only man who said, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, छत्तीसगढ़ में हमारी सरकार बनेगी. The situation in Orissa is similar this time. There is a huge undercurrent which if you try to take the pulse off, you would realize. And this undercurrent is going to translate itself not only into the MP seats, but into MLA seats as well.
The thing about Odisha, Dr. Patra, unlike a lot of other states where the BJP has fought and won, is that people here seem reasonably satisfied. You know, it's not as if there's a high level of anti-incumbency. Yes, there are more things that could have happened, but there is no visceral, seething anger against the state government like we see in other states after 5 or 10 years of being in power.
Basically, people of Orissa are very content people. Thoda hai, thode ki zarurat hai. We are that kind of people. Half of our time is gone with Lord Jagannath ji and the press and puja and part. Nahi, isliye they don't express their anger in the way generally the anger is expressed in politics. They keep it within themselves, and for sure they are going to change it.
Dr. Patra, do you miss your time on television? You know, I thought that's what you were cut out for, you were fit for, you were good at. You've left that space now for others, and you've kind of pitched a tent here in Puri and settled down.
It is about constant struggle. Politics is about struggle. You have to be on the ground, you have to be available, you have to be with the people. Victory or loss is something which is written on the head. But your availability, your hard work is something which is in your hands. So I'll perform.
Why are you fighting a Lok Sabha election and not an assembly election? Because this government has been in power 5 terms. There is an opportunity there for the BJP to capitalize. It doesn't seem the BJP is serious about wanting to beat Naveen Patnaik. So लगता ही नहीं कि that you are serious.
So your first question, why are you contesting the Lok Sabha election and not the Vidhan Sabha election? It is not for me to choose. It is for our leaders. The
But you can also say I'd rather fight assembly.
No, who am I to say? I am the one to say.
You have no voice.
No, it's not that I have no voice. I have my voice, but as a conglomeration, as a team, BJP works as Team India, Team BJP, and of course, whatever the team decides, we all follow it. Well, I fought the Lok Sabha election last time. It's but natural. I've been working in the Puri Lok Sabha, so of course I would be contesting the Puri Lok Sabha as far as you asked me. That's what the CEC decided, and over here I am. Thanks to Narendra Modi ji, thanks to Nadda ji, Amit Bhai, and all of the members of the CEC.
Dr. Patra, you seem to be like a complete political entertainment package in the Indian political league. You know, you are the one who can bring the colors of the Indian election together.
See, Puri election is not a simple election. Puri is all about spiritualism. Puri is about adhyatmikta. Puri is about our culture. Look at our mothers. They are our sisters, our mothers, and what she's holding. She's holding rice, she's holding हम इसे जिसको बेर बोलते हैं, बेर के पत्ते are supposed to be very शुभ, you know, and she's holding marigold के flowers, and if you throw on someone, it is supposed to be bringing them luck and good luck, you know, good omen for them. And the kind of sound she is making, that is called as hula huli, hula huli. And this is a very good omen. When they make this kind of sound, it means we are going to be victorious.
वो तो जो आता होगा सबके लिए करते होंगे.
किसके लिए ज्यादा करते हैं, किसके लिए कम करते हैं, आप फॉलो करिए. This is something very typical of every Oriya house. Whichever Oriya house you go to, you will find a Tulsi ka birwa. This is called as Tulasi Chauraha in Odisha, in Oriya language. And every house will have it. We'll have a Tulsi plant which is supposed to be very auspicious, very medicinal of course. And you can see poorest to poor, the richest to rich, they will have this in front of their house. Everywhere, every house.
But Dr. Patra, you know, आपकी पार्टी पे आरोप लग रहा है that in a state where Jai Jagannath is the rallying cry, you're trying to introduce Jai Shri Ram, and that's BJP's pushback.
It is always Jai Jagannath over here, Raghunath and Jagannath. And you would be astonished, and you should see that there is a Raghunath Vesh of Jagannath Ji. Jagannath Ji takes the shape of Lord Rama. He holds the Dhanush, and he is Rama, he is Jagannath, and he is the pride of 4.5 crore Oriyas, Jagannath. So no one can ever forget Jagannath. We all are whatever we are because of Lord Jagannath. And there's no difference between Har Har Shiva, Jai Jagannath, Har Har Mahadev or Jai Shri Ram. Remember, the Sanatan can never be divided on the lines of whose name we take, because Vipra Bahudha Vadanti Satya Ek hai. The intelligent people may speak number of languages, but at the end of the day, what Sanatana has taught is the truth is one, and the truth is Jagannath.
Is the Ram temple an issue here in Odisha, you think?
Of course. Of course. I mean, you would not imagine the day 22nd of January when the Ram temple Pran Pratishtha took place, when Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji was there in Ayodhya. I was traveling across my constituency. We were having events. You would have seen old women, you know, of 80 years age. They were lighting diyas in front of their home. I was astonished. Did this 80-year-old woman really watch the television? Did she heed to what Narendra Modi ji said? And you should have seen the kind of frenzy that people were in. This was across the country. Every house had a Jai Hanuman, Jai Shri Ram ka jhanda over them. See, there is something which is inherent in our DNA. And this kind of adhyatmikta is everywhere, immaterial of which party, which force is working in this state. दोनों simultaneously कौन कर सकता है वो चेक होगा आज.
अच्छा, competition.
We have seen Rahul doing the push-up. Now we want to see Rahul doing the. नहीं. You give it to him. Let's have a competition. ठीक है. We have seen competition of Rahul doing the push-up and succeeding. Now we want to see Rahul doing pankha as well as having coconut water.
ये ठीक है, आदत पड़ जाती है, ऐसा नहीं है. इनको ये
दियो competition हमारा Rahul Kanwala more competition.
सर मैं ठीक ही कर रहा हूँ, इतना बुरा भी नहीं है.
आप जमीन को कर रहे हैं, अपने आप को करना है.
पर आपको 4 साल का एक्सपीरियंस भी तो है धक्के खाने का.
ये 4 साल का नहीं है, ये मैं उड़िया हूँ तो ये मेरे डीएनए में इनग्रेन्ड है.
सर इससे पहले तो टीवी पे ही ज्यादा थे, उड़िया में कम थे.
देखिए तो फैक्ट है. राहुल जी, you are a Punjabi, no Rahul ji? So Rahul ji, you being a Punjabi, lassi is in your dreams, you know. Makki ki roti is in your dreams. I mean, it's in your DNA. So similarly, this coconut water and this pankha, this is in our DNA. Baso, hit baso. Babu, mosa aso.
डॉक्टर पात्रा, इतनी गर्मी में क्या खाते हैं आपकी पूरी में ताकि आदमी थोड़ा ठंडा रहे?
कि कोस्टल बेल्ट ऑफ ओडिशा में it's quite humid as well. So you sweat a lot and it's difficult to maintain the hydration. So of course we take a lot of what we call as poido pani, that is coconut water. We are serving you the typical Oriya dish of pithas. Orissa is known for its pithas. These are the various kinds of pithas that we are serving you. So please have some pitha.
Dr. Patra, one of the big issues in this election is what happens to the Biju Janata Dal in a post-Naveen Patnaik scenario. Do you think the BJD holds together if, and I hope he's there for as long as possible, but he's 77 years old, and that question of age is inevitable. Do you think the BJD holds, or that's the opportunity BJP is waiting for?
I'm in Jagannath Puri. I would pray to Lord Jagannath for a long life of Naveen Patnaik ji. We may be opponents in politics, but the Indian culture, the humane culture, and the culture of Puri is to pray for others also. We are not enemies. We are only opposition. But as far as Biju Janata Dal and all the local parties are concerned, the regional parties are concerned, of course they have their constraint. They have constraint of leadership, and we have limited leadership available out there. Unlike Bharatiya Janata Party, I have always maintained that where party is the family, in the regional party it is the family which is the party.
The family है नहीं politics में.
Exactly. If you don't have a family who is going to carry forward the legacy in a regional party, then it's quite difficult for the regional party to go ahead, which we have seen for many parties across the country. In AIADMK also we saw that in Tamil Nadu.
So I asked this question to VK Pandian, who's now leading the BJD's campaign along with Naveen Babu. He said, BJP का कौन सा चेहरा है? ये कौन 4-5 चेहरे? आप बता दो आपका CM का कैंडिडेट कौन है?
No, you know how BJP functions, you know. We don't function on chehra. We function on our काम. We function on our work. And as far as chehra is concerned...
नहीं, पर जब चेहरा होता है दिखा देते हो, जब नहीं होता तो नहीं दिखाता है. यही नहीं आपका...
That's a political strategy, you know. We have not shown chehras in Rajasthan. We had not shown chehras in Madhya Pradesh. Yesteryears, we had not shown chehras in Haryana as well. And we have won those elections on the basis of strategy. We are a cadre-based party. चेहरे की कमी नहीं है, ना नीति की कमी है, ना नियति की कमी है, ना नियत की कमी है, और नेतृत्व मोदी जी है. अभी तो हमारे पास मोदी जी का चेहरा है. When where in the world is a political party which has a strong face as Narendra Modi? We have one. That's what we have to take to people.
ऐसा तो नहीं कि आप बीजेपी के गांव में लेके आ गए हमें. कि सारे जहाँ पे आप ही के बंदे वहीं ले आए.
मैं बीजेपी के भारत में आपको लेके आया हूँ. भारत बीजेपी में हो गया है, ये हमारी गलती नहीं है. अब आप बताइए, क्या ये मोदी जी का, अमित शाह जी का और नड्डा जी का काम है कि एक स्ट्रांग अपोजिशन वो बनाएं? एक स्ट्रांग अपोजिशन का होना, मैं मानता हूँ, डेमोक्रेसी में बहुत एसेंशियल है, बट स्ट्रांग अपोजिशन को बनाना ये हमारे पार्टी का काम नहीं है, ये उनका काम है. वो बनाए, राहुल गांधी बनाए स्ट्रांग अपोजिशन. उनकी तो इंडिया अलायंस ऐसे एकदम भिंडी के जैसे बिखरी पड़ी है.
So that's the thing about being with somebody who's being on TV so often. I asked him a question about VK Pandian. उन्होंने सब कुछ बोला, पूरा घुमा दिया, जलेबी बना दी है, लेकिन जवाब नहीं दिया कि चला पाएंगे कि नहीं चला पाएंगे. What do you think of him? सीधा जवाब दो. घुमा रहे हो आप तो.
मैंने जवाब दिया. See, an intelligent politician is one who speaks of his own achievement rather than trying to criticize the opposition. We have learned this from Modi ji. Modi ji speaks about how much home he has given, how much toilets he has delivered, how much gas chulha he has
given. ऐसा तो नहीं है, वो तो दिन भर बोलते हैं कांग्रेस आ जाएगी तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, वैसा हो तो opposition का.
45 minutes of positive and 5 minutes of attacking the Congress and the indie parties.
Dr. Patra, this was a delicious meal for giving us a glimpse of life on the campaign trail and a sneak peek into Uriya culture. Thank you so much. We wish you all the best. Jai Jagannath. Thank you.
Jai Jagannath, Rahul, and thank you also for coming to Puri for having the darshan of Lord Jagannath. And there is a famous saying in Oriya, until and unless Lord Jagannath desires, you cannot come to Puri and have his darshan. So of course it is his blessing that you have come here. As far as my Oriya people are concerned, my family of Puri is concerned, we are in debt to you, to your channel, and to everyone who is watching through your channel.
Absolutely. You know, when you used to be on TV, there was a perception कि ये बोलते बहुत हैं और बोलते ही हैं और कुछ नहीं करते, लेकिन आज आपने देखा और हमने भी देखा कि कितने धक्के खा रहे हैं अब इलेक्शन में. जीते हारे, that's a decision the voters of Puri will take, but we wish you all the best. Thank you.